Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring essentials are ready. Use Ethernet when possible and update modem/router firmware. Run a series of pings and a trace route to a stable server to measure average latency and jitter. Record those results for comparison. If jitter spikes only at certain hours, make a note of them because that indicates congestion rather than hardware failure. Once done, log device changes and recent network events so you know whether to focus on local gear versus ISP-level problems. Now diagnose the middle of the problem by isolating sources, unplug or disable non-essential devices, and run the same tests to see if jitter improves. Configure quality of service to prioritize real-time traffic, reserve bandwidth for key applications, and enable DSCP tagging if your hardware supports it. This reduces queuing variability. For wireless clients, change channels, check for co-channel interference, or relocate the router to reduce multipath effects. Make one change at a time and remeasure so you know. Finish by addressing hardware and provider issues. Swap suspect cables, replace old switches, and reboot or factory reset the modem/router if errors persist. If your measurements still show high jitter, contact your ISP with the logs and trace routes you collected. Ask them to check last mile and peering paths. As a troubleshooting tip, run a single client test and then a temporary VPN tunnel. If jitter disappears over the VPN, routing or ISP queuing is likely the cause. If not, inspect local hardware and wireless environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.